G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a Lenovo A285 and I want to replace the thermal paste on there. So let's crack it open and have a look. So I'm just going to use a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Don't know what the inside of this is going to be like, but for the price I paid for it I'm pretty happy. Paid 150 Australian dollars for it. And 16GB RAM, Ryzen 5 2700U. All fairly good. So sadly, we have no upgradable RAM on here, but this was a 16GB model which I specifically purchased. Can upgrade the storage, but what I'm in here for is the thermal paste on the CPU, or the APU. So I'm going to do these screws in no particular order. 3, 1, 4, 2. That will do. Now, does this fan? Yep, stays as one. Pull this lever down, detach the fan. There we go. Thermal paste is not looking that great. So I'm going to use some of this, some of this. Actually, just noticing this card over here. Do we have a SIM slot somewhere on here? No. Now, I'm just going to use a little pair of tweezers just to get the little edge of that off. Cool. I'm just going to give this a blast with an air compressor. Yeah, I'm going to use some of this stuff that I've got. GD 900 thermal grease. It's fairly gooey, liquidy stuff. This has been my current go-to thermal paste. Especially by how much you actually get. You get 30 grams of it in the pot, as opposed to a normal syringe which might have anywhere between 3 and 8 grams. So definitely a lot of repasting coming from this stuff. Long-term use I'm not too sure on. But for short-term, seems to be going okay. Go. Plenty on there. That's going to spread out a little bit further, being it's rather liquidy. Now let's give this a clean and put that cooler back on. Go. Line up over here. Push in. Oh, there we go. It's connected. Line this up. Drop it down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Excellent. Thermal paste replaced. I might as well tighten up these, check these screws. And because this was more of a industrial office machine, they're all perfectly fine. Next up from here, put this back on. Looks like it swivels hinged from the front. There we go. Not bad. Done. Let's head to replace the thermal paste in a Thinkpad A285. I'll see you later. Bye.